Hey guys, it's Burnsies RT. Hope you guys all had a great Easter weekend. Just want to touch base with you guys really quick before the beginning of this upcoming week. Going out of town for spring break for the majority of the week, so I will probably be MIA for most of it. I'll probably catch most of your videos or as many as I can while I'm out. But just want to let you guys know I'm not going MIA. And also, I put together my first video with dual camera angles. It's an old video that I took inside my car, point of view at the drag strip, and then one of my buddies took the video from the stands, from the grandstands. So I put those together. So this is my first try at it. The video quality's poor because for whatever reason the program that I encoded it in destroyed the quality, but it was my first try at it as far as like timing it up and stuff, so figured it'd be a good thing to share. And then there's a couple videos afterwards if you guys are interested in doing it. It's just, you know, drag strip fun type videos like that. So with that, guys, gotta let you go, gotta get back to the fam. Have a great week, and I will catch up with you guys soon. Take care.